Here you go. To Burger Meals.
Thank you very much.
Have a lovely day.
You too.
You too.
What?
You seemed happy to talk to her.
I was being polite.
Be careful now. Don't thank me too much for the dinner.
What?
Are we really still talking about that? Do we need bell peppers?
Why don't you ask the drive-thru girl?
Damn!
If saying thank you is enough for you to question my loyalty, what could I possibly do to make you feel secure?
I just don't like the thought of losing you.
I understand that, but reassurance only works if you're willing to believe it. A relationship can't survive when one person's fear imprisons the other.